Keep an eye on him.
Watch out, zombie right here.
Watch the Joker, he's been down for a long time.
Get away from it.
Flashlight down. Oh shit, zombie protest.
Alright. Keep an eye on your fixers and keep your fucking eye on Joker.
Guys, it's a contact.
You guys clear the ridges and all the little bumpers?
School bus.
Hey, get up here. Zombie, contact left.
Did you get him one shot?
Yep.
Nice. Oh, zombie.
Keep an eye, he's been out for about 10. Cover road.
We got zombie. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You're down, you're down. Oh, watch this guy, watch him. Oh, son of a bitch.
Oh,
Watch your right.
he's down. Get down on your knee. Oh, hold on. We've been hit. Hey, we've been compromised. Back it up.
Zombies can slowly jog. Oh shit. Help, boys.
All right, we gotta get Rogue up here. Hey, we gotta get Rogue.
Need to turn on the generator.
Hey, we got him coming around the corner.
Hey, stay away from these windows. Not the dogs in there.
All right, move Rogue in place. I got the back.
Window 2 right here.
Watch our rear, what do we got? I got side.
Check out the radio dish.
Nope, there's a little birdie.
All right, we gotta check out this radio dish up here, guys. You gotta watch these freaking. I'm right in the middle of a bunch of zombies, though.
I know, but as soon as they stay out of the way, they don't want to get shot point blank range.
Yeah, but all they get. Oh
We gotta
shit,
move,
man!
Jerry. We get the hell out of here.
This is a bad position, boys. I'm telling you right now, this is not a good position. Oh!
I got him first. I hit him.
I need a medic.
Bang! Hey, those guys
Crazy!
now.
I need that kit.
I need an antidote, maybe?
Hey,
I'm right here.
hey,
Right here.
give him his jelly beans.
Where's my jelly beans?
No, dude, they're all right here.
All right. Everybody surround me.
Hey, I need somebody in front of me. We got a man down.
Right there. Hey, they should be zombies now. There's an antidote.
Yeah, I didn't know we lost guys. They're
Get him healed.
how many? 10? I hate fucking black lookers. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Get him! Hey, somebody watch my. Hey, guys, circle around us, please. I got 2 freaking zombies right here.
Okay. Who wants to be knight?
Watch some fucking zombies.
Please.
Easy. I got something fun here. I'll come in. Hold on. Oh,
Man, that's fucking nasty, Rob.
Well, you only had to drink 10 milliliters.
That's not bad. Actually, it's kind of good, actually. Oh! I think they got you in time.
Nah, I got him
You got him?
right before it got me.
Oh. You got touched? Yeah. All right, we got one more kit.
Back him up. Antidote. Guys, we need to move.
We gotta save Pablo. Pablo's. I got you on the first. I got you the first.
It didn't fire.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, I was like, oh, I'm gonna get.
Son of a bitch,
Nope.
man.
I hit your arm with my. I hit the barrel with my arm, and you weren't dead. Oh, I'm all.
Hey, you guys gotta leave us, man. You gotta fend yourself. You gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta leave us behind. I'm already. Yeah, now because.